Today, I am going to unveil a game-changing secret that has the potential to transform the way we think about dropshipping. I know you thinking dropshipping is hard. Yes, it's hard because other dropshipping gurus never telling this secret method to do dropshipping. Everyone's know in the dropshipping business the hardest part is selling product. So today, I'm here to introduce you the new method. In this new method you don't need sell anything to anyone and you don't need to spend any money. I know you are wondering how this is happening. So watch until the end to know about the new secret way to make money on dropshipping. I don't think anyone watching this video don't know about dropshipping. Okay, let's dive into the method. First you need to make website using Shopify and other things. I don't cover everything about these things and there are thousands of YouTube videos how to do these things. After you done these things you need to go to the Instagram and follow much as pages related to your niche. Don't think this will work for YouTubers because they need money to do these things. This method has no cost so we can't do these things. After all of that you need to massage these people. If they promote any of our product they will earn 10% of your product. You can use COT to generate high engaging massage. I will recommend it's good to have referral page in your website like this one because you don't need to pay directly to those people. I did this exact process and I managed to get some money. I don't think this video blow up and get some views to know about this method for a lot of people. It's bad luck for both of us and if this video gets some attraction I will make a video how to do this step by step. So bye.